So hello friends, I think all of you will be fine. Okay, so I have uploaded fourth lectures. Okay, and it is, I think it is my fifth lecture, in which today I will discuss the inductive effect. Okay, transmission effect. Okay, so it is two named is here, inductive as well as transmission effects. Okay, so what is the inductive effects and where it is where it is applicable? Okay, so suppose that here, this is the, if you see here, this is the carbon atoms. Okay, in this only carbon is attached, carbon single bond, carbon is single bond. Okay, so because only one type of atom is present here, so that's why this compound is non-polar. Okay, in this compound, what happened here, there are four carbon atoms. Along with this is heteroatom is attached, and this heteroatom is electronegative, carbon is electropositive. Okay, so what happened here, it it attracts electron from this carbon. Okay, since electronegativity of this X, suppose that this is halogen, is higher as compared to carbon, so it will affect much more this carbon. Okay, because 4 plus charge is here, means more charge will be shifted towards this. Okay, this carbon will be affected much more as compared to this, as compared to this, as compared to this. Okay, so it is, inductive effect. Inductive effect means a induction of electron, you can say, from this carbon to this halogen atom, means there due to higher electronegativity of this atom. Okay, in this, if you see here, this is the carbon which is electronegative here. Okay, but this atom Y, which heteroatom, is electropositive. Okay, so it is reverse. Okay, means charge will be this carbon having much more charge. Okay, as compared to this carbon. Okay, so it is inductive effect. Okay, so this term is given as inductive effects. Okay, so if you see here, means I think you will be understand in this what happened, this is the carbon 4 plus. Okay, so means this is the higher electronegative atom which attracts the electron from this carbon, will be much more affected by this halogen atoms. Okay, means more electronegative atom, but in this case, this is the, this atom is electron releasing. Okay, this atom is electron attracting, means electron withdrawing. Okay, this group will be electron withdrawing, but in this case this is electron releasing group. Okay, so it releases electron to this carbon, that's why it feels negative charge. Okay, as compared, much more charge will be shifted in this, because this carbon further gives own charge to this carbon, then it gives to this one, and after that it will this one. Okay, so it is all about, but what actually this paragraph is saying, when an electron withdrawing or electron releasing group is attached to a carbon chain, polarity is induced. Means when heteroatom is present here, polarity is induced, because positive charge is here, this is negative charge. Okay, on that carbon atom, on the substituent attached to it. Okay, so substituent attached, this substituent attached, the permanent polarity is due to displacement of share electron of a covalent bond. This bond is called covalent bond. Okay, a bond towards a more electronegative atom, this is called inductive effect, simply as minus I effect. Okay, simply as inductive effect. Okay, so it is, I think you will be understand what I want to say. Okay, so roughly if you understand, I will suppose that this carbon. Okay, there are 4 carbon atoms. Okay, this carbon is attached to a heteroatom, this heteroatom may be these ones. Okay, so this is the, this is attached to which is covalent bond. Okay, this is more electronegative atom, more electronegative atom. Okay, this carbon by which it attracts electron towards own side. Okay, so that's why this charge will be, means it induces positive charge, it because these electrons means sharing of electrons goes to this direction. Okay, so much more charge will be this one, means 4 plus charge will be this. Okay, means this carbon feels much more positive charge as compared to this, it feels plus 3. Okay, it feels plus 3, it feels plus 2, it feels plus 1. Okay, so like that. So it can be reverse. If you suppose that this is the carbon, this is carbon, this is carbon, this is carbon, suppose this heteroatom is positively charged, then what happen here, this gives electron to this one, this is the electron releasing group, electron releasing group, this is electron withdrawing group. Okay, so what happen here, by which reverse, so this carbon feels much more charge. Okay, means it there will be much more charge, means del minus 4. Okay, then del minus 3, del minus 2, del minus 1, like that. Okay, so my means this will happen due to this one. Okay, so what happened here, electron withdrawing group. So first of all you should be consider what is electron withdrawing group. So electron withdrawing means withdraw these may be chloro or halogen, you can say. Okay, halogen, and it can be NO2. Okay, it can be CHO, it can be acid. Okay, so all are electron withdrawing, means it withdraw electron towards one side. Okay, electron releasing group such as methyl. Okay, such as ethyl. Okay, and OCH3. Okay, so it donates electron towards other side, means this direction. Okay, sorry for that, it gives electron, actually electron releasing means gives electron to other species. Okay, so it is all about simply it is all about this polarity. Here what happen here, polarity is induced when two charges present here. Okay, so this effect is known as what is, it is called inductive effect. Okay, so these actually this paragraph is saying like that, but second paragraph what is saying, carbon hydrogen bond is taken as a standard inductive effect. Carbon hydrogen, there is heteroatom carbon and hydrogen. Okay, so polarity is induced. Okay, so that's why there will be inductive effect. Zero effect assumed for this bond, atoms are groups which have greater electron withdrawing capacity than hydrogen are set to minus I effect. Okay, whereas atoms are groups which have greater electron releasing power are set to plus I. So depending on the charge on atoms, either if they are more electronegative, means if they have electron withdrawing group, electron withdrawing means they attract electron towards one side. Okay, so this one is called minus I inductive effect. Okay, on the basis of this, okay, groups, electron releasing groups, here what feels that plus inductive effect. Okay, so this paragraph is saying this one. Okay, so here if you see here, this is the actually minus I power of decreasing order, means minus I effect NS3, it is very important. NS3 means NS3 NO2 CN, like that. So you should be write down in your notebook, because if you see here NS3 plus. Okay, NS3 plus. Okay, so if you see here, this is also known as electron withdrawing group. Okay, so question can be arise, NS3 plus induces which inductive effect, which inductive. So what happen here, they may be plus I effect they may be minus I effect, they may be both, demon none. Okay, so what is the right answer? Your answer should be minus I effect. Okay, so ammonium, basically what happened here, a student can be mistake here, because after seeing positive charge, okay, it means they analyze that it acts as a electron releasing, but it acts as a electron withdrawing groups. Okay, so it is very important question for IIMs exams. Okay, and NEET also. Then IIT means this type of question can be asked. Okay, so it is all about 2 points I have covered here. So in this question also can be asked like that question. Suppose that this one here, NO2 is given. NO2 is much more electronegative than Cn, then SO3H, then CHO, okay, then CO, then COH, okay, then COCl, then COR, okay, like that amide. Okay, after the halogens, okay, halogen, after halogen this OH, OR, NH2, OH, OR, NH2, okay, and then benzene, C6, you can say phenyl, okay, H. So in this what happened here, the question arises here for like that, for means increasing order of minus I effect, okay, or decreasing order of minus I effect. Okay, so you can treat first of all what will be, you should be consider NO2 is much more electron withdrawing. Okay, then Cn, okay, SO3H, CHO, okay, then CO. So the question can be arises, what is the like that, what is the order of minus I effect? So you should be intention should be given by you. Okay, means you should be remind it. Okay, or any trick you can apply for means for understanding this increasing order. Okay, so that's why you can guess like that. First option may be this one. Okay, second option may be like that, CnNO2, okay, CHO, like that, okay, CO. So C option may be NO2 SO3, okay, H, like that, CO, CHO, okay. So first option will be right answer. Okay, so this is very important, means this type of question can be asked either in IIMs, okay, NEET, okay, and IIT mains. In advance it can also be asked. Okay, so this type of question can be asked from this. You can actually what happen here, should be considered NS3, means it is the positively charged. So this type of question can be asked, because a student can be mistake here, after seeing positive charge they will means guess the plus I effect. Okay, but there is a minus I effect. So NO2CN, okay, all the first of all you should consider all the nitrogens are more I effect, showing more I effect. Okay, so first of all nitrogen will be considered, after the nitrogen, sulfur, then oxygen. Okay, so it is the, you can remind it very easily. After first of all nitrogen, okay, then carbon and oxygen, okay, carbon and nitrogen first of all, then carbon and hydrogen, carbon and oxygen, okay, then COCl, COR, means this is the acetyl chloride, means you can COCl, okay, then ester, then amide, okay, after that halogen, OHOR, okay. So you can write, you can easily, means from here and in this point you can remind it. Okay, what is the trick? If you see here all the nitrogen is present here, so first of all your priority should be given to nitrogen. Okay, after then sulfur, nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, okay, then COCl, okay, then ester, okay, then amide, then halogen. Okay, so 3 point means you can easily recognize the minus I effect by treating, by considering first of all your priority should be nitrogen, okay, then sulfur, then oxygen, then COCl, then amide, then ester, then amide, sorry, then halogen. Okay, so it is all about, so it is very important for that. Plus I effect you can easily understand. Tertiary alkyl means order should be like that, means tertiary. Okay, this is the plus I effect. Okay, this is tertiary alkyl. Okay, then secondary alkyl. Okay, then primary alkyl. Okay, CS2, 2, 3 and 4th. Okay, so order should be this one. Okay, so it is all about today I have discussed plus I effect, minus I effect. Okay, so plus I for number of carbon in the same time, plus number of carbon in the means one formula is that. Plus if you see here plus I effect, you can easily recognize that plus I effect inversely proportional, directly proportional to number of carbon atoms, number of carbon in the same alkyl group, group. Okay, so you can mention in your notebook this formula. Okay, plus I effect inversely directly proportional to number of carbon in the same alkyl group, like that. Here 1 2 3 carbon is here, 2 carbon is there. Okay, here only 1 carbon is there, not this is the primary, this is the secondary, this is the tertiary. Okay, I have mentioned again, this is the, this type of question can be asked, order of plus I effect. Okay, so this one, this one, this one. Okay, so your order should be, priority should be given like that. Okay, so 3 question I have discussed. Okay, so you should be write down in your notebook because it is very important for toughest exam. Okay, so it is all about, so you can also apply this formula on this because number of carbon is much more as compared to this, so order should be this one. Okay, so application of inductive effects. Okay, so next day I will I will discuss the application of, what is the application of inductive effects. Okay, so thank you friends for watching this video, and if you like this video please subscribe my channel. Okay, and if you have any queries please write down in the comment box, I will solve your problem. Okay, so thank you for